is a PA-32R 301 Tango Piper Saratoga. It's a great airplane. It's not that expensive, so it's a great project aircraft. It has a lot of opportunity. It needs a lot of improvements. A lot of work has to go into it. A lot of parts, labor hours, and upgrades of everything. Avionics, engine parts, a couple of airframe parts, and well, basically everything. All right, so this is my first time. I actually feel like I'm vlogging. This is pretty weird. This is my first time doing this, so it's probably extremely unsteady, so sorry about that. So as you can see, this is a 6-piston Lycoming engine. It has the 3-blade prop, also. This is a turbo version. There's a turbo, and so I am very interested in buying the intercooler kit. It brings great value to the aircraft, but it's pretty expensive, so it all depends on that. Now it needs a new paint job. It needs a lot of work, body work. It needs replacing all of the windows. They're all cracked. Here's another crack right there. New interior. I have to also new wingtips, probably new tanks. I want to put LED lights. Here, the avionics. You want to know about the avionics? Here it is. Now, it's pretty old. The interior, it's completely new interior. It smells pretty old. Okay, now the avionics. They're not that bad. It has a Garmin G530. It's pretty new. It has a 340, the radio. Then it has the GX60, the Apollo, pretty nice, and everything needs a new refreshment. I want a digital horizon, probably with the airspeed. I would like that. I want a engine management system. I guess that would be a pretty nice investment. And basically that's it. So that's 4 people. Everything needs to go out. Everything. It's gonna be pretty hard, but I guess it's gonna be worth my while. I hope. And a great adventure. What else? For sale sign, not anymore. Now, the paint job needs now, as you can see, all of these things, these details, everything, this has to go out. Almost every single panel needs to go out. The landing gear looks pretty good, not that bad. So this is it. This is pretty much it. So that's the airplane, and it's gonna be a great adventure. It's gonna be awesome, and I look forward to it.